Hello and welcome to the IDE enhancements that were added to PowerBuilder 11 that also manifest themselves today in PowerBuilder 2017, adding to improve your development productivity. Features were such as auto-scripting, a time to activate the auto-script. All response dialogues in the IDE are now resizable for better viewing. And improved system tree and output panes such as adding tab pages and being able to copy information to the clipboard, along with the project painter, for example adding manifest information to your application executable. In this video, what we're going to focus on is another productivity aid called breaking into the debugger. So let's have a look at this application. All we're going to do is produce a PDF file from this data window on the left-hand side when I click the PDF command button. You'll notice that there's a problem, however, at line 6. In the old way, I'd have to return to the IDE and I'd have to manually remember where to go, which particular window, which control, which event, and then to the actual line of code or line of codes just before that. In the new way of doing it, we would go to the Tools menu, Systems Options, and then here's the Just-in-Time Debugging or Break into the Debugging. So let's select that, select Apply, and hit OK. Now running this application again, we know we have a problem in line 6. Before I actually execute the PDF script, I can return to the PowerBuilder IDE that's minimized on the taskbar, click on it, and notice there's a new option now that says Break into the Debugger. And now I can go to Windows, window that's having a problem. There's the command button, create a PDF, and then I can actually look at the source code. And I know the problem is somewhere in this block of code. So of course I can use the right-hand mouse button and insert a breakpoint. So now since I've actually broken into the debugger on the fly, I can actually now go back to the application itself, select the PDF button, and notice now, because I've set a breakpoint, I am stopped just before the actual divide overflow. But now it allows me, for example, to actually step into the problem or step over and continue on to see if the rest of my code is okay within that command block. The second thing that'll happen is once the just-in-time or break into debugger is set, is if you do encounter an error and I select the command button PDF, you'll notice here that when a problem occurs, it automatically now takes you to the debugger. So you have two ways. You can break into the debugger and set a breakpoint, knowing that somewhere after that there's going to be a problem and trace it. Or with the actual just-in-time debugging, the break into the debugger feature is automatic in the PowerScript itself. So to see for yourself these IDE improvements in PowerBuilder 2017, and to get more information on PowerBuilder itself and your free trial, please visit www.appeon.com.